In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise on the white keys. The right hand is going to have block triads in the successive white key hand positions, moving up and then down. The left hand is going to also be on white keys. It is going to be doing not triads or three-note chords. It's going to be doing just the open fifth. The, in this case, C and the G. We're not going to use these internal three fingers. And it is going to be paralleling what is happening in the right hand, where both of the low notes are at C, both the low notes are D, both the low notes are E, etc. Now, with the fifths in the left hand, these open fifths are what's called power chords. Okay, we're doing essentially power chord type positions in the left hand. They're not going to be block though, we're going to do broken. The right hand triad is going to be block. Everything sounding at once. But the left hand's going to be broken, so it's going to sound like this. Okay, and we're going to move up 8 hand positions, repeat the one that's up at the top, and when we do the repetition, we're going to move the fifth in the opposite direction. You'll see once I get there. So here's the whole exercise. Now reverse direction in the left hand. All right, so we ended up doing top note, bottom note as we were coming down. So again, really quickly. That is a great exercise for beginners.